warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thank you for being here. I'm Aswina Alia Chanti. In this video, I would like to talk to you about ICT and AI in English language teaching. And I'm going to show you an online platforms that called YouGlish. These platforms can be really useful for improving pronunciation in speaking. In this video will consist of 5 parts. The first is introduction, explanation, demonstration, explanation about strengths and weaknesses of the tool, and the last is reflection and conclusion. Before I explain to you about YouGlish, let me share what is ICT and AI in English language teaching. So, are you ready, guys? Alright, let's begin. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. In the context of English language learning, ICT refers to the use of digital tools, platforms, applications, and online resources that support the teaching and learning process. From what I know, ICT helps make learning more interactive, flexible, and interesting. For example, instead of only learning from textbooks or the teacher's explanation, students can also practice using online platforms, watch authentic videos, or interact in digital learning spaces. ICT allows students to learn English anytime and anywhere, not just in the classroom. So, ICT helps bring real-world English into the learning process. Another important aspect is that ICT supports different learning styles. Some students learn best by listening, others by reading, and others by doing interactive activities. And ICT provides many types of resources. So, students can choose tools and materials that match the way they learn most effectively. While AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to systems that can analyze data and recognize patterns. In English language learning, AI can help learners by recognizing pronunciation, suggesting vocabulary, generating examples, or even simulating conversation. One of the reasons AI is valuable in English learning is because it allows learners to practice independently. Even when a teacher is not present, students can learn at their own pace, repeat as many times as needed, and explore areas they personally want to improve. So in short, ICT makes learning interactive and flexible, while AI makes it personal and efficient. ICT and AI help make English learning more meaningful by giving students access to real language and personalized practice. Therefore, ICT and AI increase motivation because students can learn based on their own needs. And let's talk about YouGlish. YouGlish is an online platform that helps learners improve pronunciation by showing how words and expressions are spoken in real situations. Instead of giving a single audio like a dictionary or phonetic alphabet like textbook, YouGlish shows many short video clips from YouTube, where native speakers use the word naturally in conversation. So, YouGlish helps us hear how English actually sounds in real life. Alright everyone, I will show you how to use YouGlish. For the first, we must go to the YouGlish Learning website and then type a word or a phrase that you want to know how to pronounce it. For example, schedule. Next, click the red button which say it. YouGlish will show you YouTube videos
are over budget or behind schedule. 94.
But some of these folks really want me to keep on. Yes,
I wanted to ask a question.
So
One of the
many
things that you've done effectively.
different speakers say that word,
Dealing with it, I'm going to schedule time.
and you can choose the accent that you want to learn and focus on the pronunciation and intonation. For example, I choose US. You can skip forward
It's right. Fully animating these
for
characters
the
on such a tight
different
budget and
videos,
schedule.
and you
Obviously,
can go back.
Dealing with it, I'm going to.
You
and
can
you're going
also
to
repeat
schedule
it,
them in
and you
for
can
your day. That's going to create a
pause
sense
it.
of balance and well.
Yes, click this,
And you're
and
going to schedule them
you can click on the three dots. For example, you can put it on the loop. You can turn on the loop mode,
in
and you
for
can
your day.
focus on
And you're
just
going
one
to
line.
schedule them
And you can
in
even
for your
switch
day.
the
And you're going to
speed.
schedule them in for
You can
your
slow
day.
it down.
And you're going to schedule them in for your day. And you're going to schedule
And the next feature, you can tap and speak. Schedule.
schedule,
Schedule.
schedule,
Schedule. And not only the word, you can also learn the phrases or sentence or idiom. For example, it would be my
But it
pleasure.
would be my pleasure to serve on that committee.
Girl, it would be my pleasure to walk you into your neighborhood.
It would be my pleasure.
Now, the next session is strengths and the weakness of YouGlish. YouGlish provides authentic video examples of words and phrases spoken by native or fluent English speakers. Next, learners can hear different accents, for example, American, British, and Australian. Learners also get used to the speed, intonation, and rhythm of natural English. YouGlish is accessible online for free, does not need creating an account, and it can be used on all of devices. Next, users can search for specific words, phrases, or idioms. And the last is learners can focus on challenging words, repeat clips, and compare different pronunciation. Next, the weakness of using YouGlish. YouGlish shows pronunciation in context, but does not explain grammar rules or why certain words are used in a sentence. And the second, users need a stable internet connection, which might be a problem in some areas. And the last is some uncommon words or technical terms may not have enough video example. And the reason, one of the main reasons why I choose YouGlish as a tool for English language teaching, because YouGlish is easy of access. We don't need to log in or create an account to use it. This makes it very simple for both teachers and students to learning. Another reason is that is free, 100% free. We can practice, listen, and explore many words and phrases without paying anything. And because of these reasons, YouGlish is very practical and student-friendly, especially for classroom, where not every has an account or can pay for online tools. So you guys, we are in the last session, and I will share my reflection from doing this task. From doing this task, I have learned a lot of online tools that we can use in English language teaching, especially YouGlish, I realized how useful it is for students to hear real pronunciation with clearly and correctly. Tools like YouGlish make learning easier because they are free and 100% free and turn it creating an account. It helps students with limited resources. And the important thing is choosing the right tools that actually help students understand and practice English better. I think YouGlish truly enhance student understanding and motivation because YouGlish not only helps with pronunciation but also gives learners confidence to use conversation in real life with English, and students can hear and know how native speakers actually speak in daily life on real life. Alright everyone, thank you for your nice attention. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.